Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Today I am going to discuss one of the most important creative questions for the students of class 9 and 10. The creative questions from chapter 2 algebraic expressions. In the last few content we have already done number 1 to number 13. Today I am going to discuss number 14, which is the combination of partial fractions, remainder theorems and the standard polynomial equation, how to find the degree. And okay, give attention to the first question. Determine the degree of the quotient qx and px. So number A, leading degree of numerator part q of x equal leading degree equals to 4 and leading degree of p of x equal 3. 18x to the power 3 and this one is 4x to the power 4. So here leading degree 3, leading degree 4. Then so degree of qx divided by p of x in times of divide, then degree will be subtracted. So here leading degree 4 minus 3 equals to 1, which is our final answer. And now give attention to the question number B. If 3x plus 2 is a factor of p of x, then b equals to 0. And using remainder theorems, you have to do this one. Okay, number B. First, p of x. So right here, given p of x equal 18x cube plus bx square minus x minus 2. Let given factors here 3 times of x plus 2 equals 0 or x equal minus 2 by 3. So now if 3 times of x plus 2 is a factor of p of x, then p of minus 2/3 will be 0 using the remainder theorems. So now just apply where you see x, then in times of x you have to apply minus 2 by 3. So 18 minus 2 by 3, this one is 3 plus b into minus 2 by 3 square minus 2 by 3 minus 2 equals to 0. And now 18, there will be minus times of 2, 8, this will be 27, then plus 4b divided by 9 plus 2 divided by 3, 2 divided by 3 minus 2 equals to 0. And do here simple calculation, 9 2 times and 9 3 times. This one will be minus 8 to just 16 divided by 3 plus 4b divided by 9 plus 2 by 3 minus 2 equals to 0. Just now change 4 by b, 9 equals to 2 plus 16 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So now 4b divided by 9 will be, there will be 3 LCM, 3 to the 6 plus 16 minus 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, then there will be 2. So now do simple calculation here, or 4b divided by 9 equal 16. 16 plus 6, there will be 22 minus 2, will be 20 divided by 3. Now do cross multiply here, or there will be 4b multiply 3 equal 20 multiply 9. So b will be 20 multiply 9 divided by 4 multiply 3. There will be 3 times, and this the 5 times, and 5 3s are 15. So final answer B equal 15. Here, what is the value of B? So B equal 15. Now give attention to the question number C. Express 8x square minus 2 divided by qx as the partial fractions. Give attention to the qx. First you have to find the factors of this one. How many factors you will get here? 4 factors, because here the leading power is 4. So first you have to find the factors of qx and then express using the method 1 to method 5. And first you have to find the factors, then you have to give attention which factors you can apply this one. Okay, here number C, q of x equal qx given here 4x to the power 4 plus 12x cube plus 7x square minus 3 times of x minus 2. Just give attention, if x equal minus 1, if f equal minus 1, there will be minus 4, sorry, this one will be 4, this one will be minus 12, this one will be 7, and this one will be plus 3, this one will be minus 2 when x equal minus 1. Just now give attention, 12 minus 2, this will be minus 14, and 10 plus 14 equals to 0. When we apply here x equal minus 1, q of x will be 0. That's why now we can consider x plus 1 is one of the factor. X plus 1 is one of the factors of q of x. Okay. Now consider here x plus 1, the here power is 4, so you can write here 4 times x plus 1, and x plus. So this one will be our third line. So now you can write here the second line and third line, x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. What we see here, 4x to the power 4, the common will be x cube. Then do multiply 4x to the power 4 plus 4x to the power 3. What you see here, 12. So remaining 8x cube. In 8x cube, inside the bracket you see here x plus 1. So 8x square will be common. Then do multiply, there will be 8x square. And already here 7x square. We wrote here 8x square. So minus x square will be here. Then x plus 1 inside the bracket, there will be only x. Then do multiply minus x, here remaining minus twice x, so minus 2 is common, then do multiply, you will get here 2. Okay, now find out the common one, x plus 1, the remaining here 4x cube plus 8x square minus x minus 2. Now give attention. This first one divided into 2 factors. In second one, we see here the leading power is 3. So finally, if we do calculation here, we will get here other 3 factors. So x plus 1 is 1. Just take here common. 4x square is common. So x plus 1, x plus 2. You see here minus 1 is common. So x plus 2 uncommon. And now x plus 1 is common factors, x plus 2 another one, and 4x square minus 1. So x plus 1, and so x plus 1, x plus 2, here you can write here twice x plus 1, twice x minus 1, just using 2x whole square minus 1 square. And this is the factors of q of x. Now 8x square minus 2 divided by q of x equals to, just taking here 2 common, 4x square minus 1, and the cube of x, the factor x plus 1, x plus 2, 2 times of x plus 1, 2 times of x minus 1. Just apply the formula here. 2 of twice x plus 1, twice x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 2, twice x plus 1, twice x minus 1. Just eliminate the same factors from numerator and denominator. Finally, you will get here 2 by x plus 1 and x plus 2. And just now express this one into partial fraction, then you will get here final result. So start from the first line, second part here, see, let, okay, here you can write here 8x square minus 2 divided by cube of x. Finally we get answer 2 by x plus 1 and x plus 2. So let 2 by x plus 1 and x plus 2 is equivalent with a by first factor, just using method number 1, and b by second factor. And this is number 1. Multiplying both of 1 with x plus 1 and x plus 2, we get here 2 equal equivalent a with x plus 2 plus b with x plus 1. This is number 2. Now write which is true for all values of x. Now put x equal, consider first factor equal to 0, so x equal minus 1. Then x equal minus 1, you will get here 2 equal a minus 1, considering here minus 1 plus 2, there will be 0, or 2 equals to a, finally, or a equals to 2. Again putting x equal minus 2 into, we get 2 equal a times of 0 plus b minus 2. So if we apply here minus 2, this one will be 0, there will be minus 2 plus 1. So 2 equal minus b, or b equal minus 2. Now putting the value of ab in 1. Now putting the value of a and b in 1, we get 8 x square minus 2 divided by cube of x equal a by first factor. What is the value of a? 2. 2 divided by x plus 1 plus b. B equals to sorry, I think I have done here mistake. Oh, sorry, no, okay, okay. There will be minus 2 divided by x plus 2, and which is required partial fraction. And this is our final answer. So actually the partial fractions maths is the method 1 you have to do. There is no any complexity, because there is no repeating part, no quadratic form, and that's why just you have to apply the method number 1. But before doing partial fraction, just you have to find the factors of q of x, and then doing the lowest form of the of 8x square minus 2 divided by q of x, and you will get here the reduced form, that is the smallest unit, and then giving the attention two factors. There is no repeating and no quadratic form, just two factors, and a by first one, b by second one, and doing the method number 1 already we have discussed this one. Then finally we get the value of a and b, and applying the value of a, b, c, and just we found here the result of the partial fractions. So thank you very much to enjoy this tutorial. If you have any questions, please do comments. Hopefully see you again in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.